Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Penelope XO wig from Amore in the color Strawberry Swirl. Now, Strawberry Swirl is an epically highlighted strawberry blonde with lots of light gold blonde highlights throughout. So, before I do anything else, let me go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can see what Penelope looks like on all sides. Hooey, is this one curly? She's super curly, like Shirley Temple curly. This is a really curly wig. It's so curly that I have to tell you, if you buy this one, don't do anything to it. Just don't. Don't pick it, don't comb it, don't brush it for sure. Just kind of let it do its thing. You know, you might want to spray some Envy Renew and Repair on it just to make sure it doesn't fall out of its delicious curl pattern. But you really do just sort of want to leave it alone, because the more you mess with the curl pattern that's this dense, the more this wig will frizz, the bigger it will get, and soon it will be unwearable, so you don't want to do that. It looks super cute in this Strawberry Swirl color just because that color is so dynamic. It picks up basically every little nuance, every little nook and cranny of every curl. Penelope is a substantial wig. There's a lot of hair here, even though it's only shoulder length. This is a 5.5 ounce wig because it's just so curly. The crown, don't pay attention to any of the measurements. I was going to give you measurements, but they don't matter because the nape on this is supposedly 7.1 inches. And when it's curled, there's no way that that's actually how that measures. So let's just say it's shoulder length. And let's just kind of leave it there. This one is super voluminous. These curls are really, really cute up close. Like I said, very Shirley Temple. Very pretty. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this one off so I can show you what the inside of Penelope looks like. Like most Amore wigs, Penelope has a hand-tied double monofilament top with a generous band of polyurethane right at the front hairline. There is no permatease in this wig. Likewise, there is no lace front on this wig. This is not a hand-tied cap. Instead, this is a wefted cap that is connected, as you can see here, with this meshy material. So this is a closed cap wig that has polyurethane on the extended nape on both sides. And it has polyurethane on the closed lace ear tabs as well. Here is what the top of Penelope looks like. It's got kind of a built-in scalp. Here's that color up close, really pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and put Penelope back on now. These completely enclosed caps are great for people who experience sudden hair loss, like sudden complete head hair loss. And those polyurethane pieces in the cap are great locations to put adhesive if you've lost hair in those locations. Don't attempt it if you have hair there though, you'll just yank it out when you take the wig off. So this has been my review of the Penelope XO wig by Amore in the color Strawberry Swirl, which looks really cute on this wig. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you find my wig reviews kind of, informative. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.